which is pleasing the people around the world, and this flower is in the bouquet of engineering. Having the experience of 19 years, we can say that we are the leader in HVAC business with the aim of providing comfort to the people to increase their efficiency and productivity. What is that exactly we do in the HVAC? So basically, Vallabh Aircon is a project-based HVAC dealer where we do the project with the requirement of the client, with the customization. It is tailor-made project with the product like ductable AC, VRV system, chiller system, cassette AC, air handling unit, and ventilation system. We also do provide the annual maintenance contract to our client who has the HVAC system installed over there. How does the entire process work of the project? First of all, whenever any query come in, whenever the requirement come in, we do the site visit, we understand the requirement of the client. We take the certain data, we also take the AutoCAD drawings. We work on the heat load calculation, then we do the designing. Then after the quotation has been given to the client, once the approval has been received, we process for the procurement of the equipment. Then after the installation to happen, it's depend on the size of the project. Sometimes the installation can last from 1 week to 2 years. Once the project is over, it is time for the commissioning. We do the commission system with the certain parameters when it was designed. If the parameter meets with the designing, then we process for the handing over to the client. Once the system is handed over, we do provide them the maintenance service and during that period of the defect liability. Generally, it is 1 year of the period. Then after, customer can opt for the annual maintenance contract. Why should one choose the Vallabh Aircon, as there are many players out there in the market? Values. Exactly, we believe in the value. We grow the value to grow ourselves and our business. Basically, authenticity, integrity, respect, commitment, and approachability. These are the values that we follow in our business, in the day-to-day activity. We stand upon the expectation of the client with multiple facets of our strength. These are like having the experience of the 19 years, brand association, that is Carrier and Toshiba, customer delight, customer support, that is the key factor, professionalism. We have the professional in our organization which can lead our business and satisfy the client with their requirement. The project, the size of the project and the volume of the project that we have done. So these are the things that can be considered to recommend us to anyone who are looking for the HVAC system. This is the frontline people in my organization who has been leading our business. Myself, I've been looking after the service and project business. There is Mr. Diwakar Joshi who is looking after the sales division. Mr. Nisar Patel who is like a site engineer. There is Mr. Sheetal Saab who is also project sales side. These are some of the pictures of the project that we have completed. PDPU is there, APPL, Bhavans College that we have done, the auditorium over there. GMRES Medical College, Dharpur Medical College, IIPS, that is Indian Institute of Primary Health, that we have done. There are some of the professional and there are some of the establishment that you can connect to me. The professional are like the architect, interior designer, builders and developer, electrical contractor, HVAC consultant, MEP consultant, kitchen consultant, and project consultant. Those are the people that you can think of referring to me. These are some of the establishment, industry, corporate offices, small, super malls, banking institute, hospital, hotels, banquet, education institute, server room, restaurant, restaurant chains, showroom franchisee, bungalows, villas, flats having more than 3 BHK, boutique, gymnasium, auditorium, multiplex, multi-layer basement. I mean, any establishment which require the air conditioning system that can be referred to me. These are the list of some of the clients whom we have exactly served in past and serving at present, like Mahatma Mandir, IPCO, GSPL, GSPC, Gujarat Metro Rail Project, Amba Township, PDPU, GNLU, IIPH, DevX, Siddhi Cement, Hathi Cement, Unique Mercantile, Vista Print, VK Vikram, QXKPO, SBI, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Yash Bank, MQR Pharmaceutical, and MNIL Pharmaceutical. So these are the list of clients where you wish to get connected, you can contact me. If you have any questions regarding this, you can ask me.
Does anyone have any questions for Jignesh?
This is the